Hey guys, it's Matt, or Phone Plays, bringing you a pack opening. It's my birthday today, so I can cry if I want to. And there are a lot of special packs out, but it's like, if I get a good player on my birthday, I'm gonna absolutely freak out. I remember the last time we opened packs, 25k packs, I got amazing stuff, so let's just jump into it. Let's just let the first pack roll out. Wow. Wow. Just that was so bad. Let's open with my coins. The coin pack. Oh, Inform Jekko! How much do you go for? 50k! Woo! Inform Jekko. That's my highest rated Inform. I'm just going to send you to the club for now. And PK in the same pack. How much do you go for, PK? Woo! Care about the rest of this. What a pull! The coin pack. Best pull was Inform Jekko. Ooh, Modric. How much are you going for? I give it a Liga BBVA team now. All the players I'm getting, man. No look discard pack. Please don't be something good. Show you the whole pack. Discarded it. Hopefully I didn't get anything good. Here we go. How about a superstition? Turn off the TV pack. Okay, it's off. Who did I get? Here we go, turn it back on. Oh my god! Inform Bulletin! Ooh! Oh! How much do you go for? 1,000,000 coins! I'm rich again! Oh, Inform Bulletin! Inform Bulletin! Gonna turn the TV back! How much are you actually selling for in the market, though? Oh my god. I am so lucky. Inform galore. Oh, I don't even have enough for that. Oh, that feels so good. Okay, that was crap there, but Inform Bulletin. Yes! There you go. Last pack. Good pack opening. Skip. Inform Bulletin, though. Here, I'll open a 5k pack to see how crap my pack goes. See? Let's see how crap this 5k pack is. Wow. Whatever, it's a 5k pack. Inform Bulletin. Oh, that's the highest Inform. So, thank you all for watching. Bye!